John, can you tell me more about the bookkeeping automation company?
Sure. The bookkeeping automation platform is a SaaS-based platform that is designed to help bookkeepers become more profitable. So what we do is we leverage artificial intelligence platforms to assist bookkeepers in their data entry work. So instead of a bookkeeping client taking 10 hours worth of data entry work, we can probably cut that down to about 5 hours of data entry work. And we give bookkeepers a variety of tools to help facilitate that, because we understand that bookkeeping can be done in a number of different ways. You have the annual bookkeeping client who shows up with a garbage bag of receipts and bank statements. You also have the client that actually gives you access to their online banking to download the transactions. So for us, it's all about thinking about the different ways that bookkeepers have to try and help their clients, and then coming up with a solution, a technology-driven solution to help automate or at least assist those bookkeepers in their work. So the whole platform is geared towards how do we make them more profitable. And that includes a value pricing tool, that includes automation built into the platform, as well as extraction from bank and credit card statements, a whole variety of things. Too much to list in this particular video, but we encourage people to come check out the website and just see if we can't help them become more profitable as a bookkeeping firm.
Okay, great. Thank you, John.